former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, walking out of jail. He's been received by senior Aam Aadmi Party leaders, very much like the time when Sanjay Singh came out of Tihar jail, but this has taken a long time in the coming. Standing on top of the car through that roof and waving out to the massive crowds right outside Tihar jail. You can see the happiness on Manish Sisodia's face. 530 days, 17 months, and Manish Sisodia now is finally out. What we've been given to understand that Manish Sisodia from here will be going to Arvind Kejriwal's house to meet his parents and his wife, as Arvind Kejriwal continues to be in Tihar in the same case that Manish Sisodia today is walking out on bail. And after that, he is going to go to his own residence where his family members are there. His wife, Seema Sisodia, had been ailing for a long time, and those were one of the grounds on which Manish Sisodia was seeking bail. But understandably, a sense of elation where the Aam Aadmi Party comes into question, because this will be a shot in the arm for a party that has been fighting, with their back against the wall, top brass of the party inside jail. And now with Manish Sisodia coming through, a lot of speculations as well will be laid to rest internally where the party is concerned and its Delhi unit. Chants of Inqilab Zindabad echoing right outside the Tihar jail. Okay, let's listen it.
बहुत बहुत सबको नमस्कार। मेरे भारत माता की इंकलाब, इंकलाब। बहुत बहुत सबको नमस्कार। मेरे भारत माता की इंकलाब, इंकलाब। बहुत बहुत सबको नमस्कार। मेरे भारत माता की इंकलाब, इंकलाब। बहुत बहुत सबको नमस्कार। मेरे भारत माता की इंकलाब, इंकलाब। बहुत बहुत सबको नमस्कार। मेरे भारत माता की इंकलाब, इंकलाब। बहुत बहुत सबको नमस्कार। मेरे Manish Sisodia Zindabad! Manish Sisodia Zindabad! Zindabad, Zindabad! Sisodia Zindabad! Zindabad, Zindabad! Sisodia Zindabad! Zindabad, Zindabad! Sisodia Zindabad! सभी से अनुरोध है कि रास्ता खाली कर दीजिए। मनीष को आने दीजिए। आप सबसे निवेदन, रास्ता खाली कर दीजिए। मनीष सिसोदिया जिंदाबाद। मनीष सिसोदिया जिंदाबाद। मनीष सिसोदिया जिंदाबाद।
All right, these visuals coming in of Manish Sisodia flanked by Sanjay Singh and Atashi from the Aam Aadmi Party. For the Aam Aadmi Party, it's an elixir of sorts. It's a shot in the arm. Manish Sisodia addressing the cadre of the party with Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Inqilab Zindabad. Ecstatic, you can see the joy on Manish Sisodia's face. It's been 17 months that he has been in jail and today has gotten bail from the Supreme Court. From here on, Manish Sisodia will be moving to Arvind Kejriwal's house, who is still in the same jail. He's walked out from Tihar jail. And in the same case, he'll be meeting the parents of Arvind Kejriwal and then would be going home. Listen in. Let's listen in.
नमस्कार।
All right, joining me is Kuldeep Kumar, Aam Aadmi Party MLA on the phone line. Kuldeep ji, मनीष सिसोदिया बाहर आ गए हैं। अब एक चलिए बहुत बड़ी बात है पार्टी के लिए, पर इसमें भाजपा साफ कह रही है कि ये ड्यू प्रोसीजर है। आप इसको जो जीत कह रहे हैं कि ट्रूथ हैज प्रिवेल्ड, ये सब गलत है।
देखिए, पहले तो मैं सभी को कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये सच्चाई और ईमानदारी की जीत हुई है। एक षड्यंत्र के तहत मनीष सिसोदिया जी को जेल में डाला गया। हम लगातार कह रहे थे ये केस झूठा और फर्जी केस है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी उन्हें राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र के तहत जेल में रखा गया। लेकिन जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी कहा कि 17 महीने मनीष सिसोदिया जी के कौन लौटाएगा। दिल्ली के बच्चों के भविष्य को बनाने वाले मनीष सिसोदिया, जिन्होंने देश और दुनिया
All right, we seem to have lost Kuldeep Kumar, but that is what the Aam Aadmi Party is now going to go to the people with, that Manish Sisodia has done nothing wrong. He's out on bail, scathing observations by the court to lower courts of not granting him bail. But viewers, it's a good time to remember that the top court of the country has given bail to Manish Sisodia, not on the merits of the case, but sheer fact that the trial has not begun yet, and Manish Sisodia has been in jail for 17 months. So that needs to be kept in mind. Listen in to Manish Sisodia.
इतने दिनों बाद, इतने वर्षों बाद बाबा साहब के पिछले कर्ज को हम कैसे उतारेंगे? उस वक्त उन्होंने तय कर लिया था कि आने वाले समय में अगर कोई तानाशाही सरकार आके निर्दोष लोगों को जेल में डालेगी तो संविधान इसको बचाएगा। आज मैं बाहर आया हूं तो आपके प्यार की बदौलत, आपके प्यार के साथ साथ भगवान के आशीर्वाद की बदौलत, सच्चाई की ताकत की बदौलत, और सबसे बड़ी चीज जो बाबा साहब ने जो सपना देखा था कि कोई तानाशाही सरकार आएगी तो तानाशाही भरे कानून बना के जब नेताओं को, विपक्ष के लोगों को जेल में डालेगी तो इस देश का वो संविधान जो बाबा साहब ने बनाया था उनकी रक्षा करेगी। एक आम आदमी जो तानाशाही के खिलाफ बोलेगा, तानाशाही के खिलाफ बोलने वालों को अगर सरकार जबरदस्ती जेल में डालेगी तो संविधान बचाएगा, आज और संविधान कर रही है। आज इस संविधान की ताकत से, सच्चाई की ताकत से मुझे देना नहीं है। मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूँ, इसी संविधान की ताकत से हमारे प्यारे नेता अरविंद केजरीवाल जी भी बाहर आएंगे। जेल के ताले टूटेंगे अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के लिए, जेल के ताले टूटेंगे, जेल के ताले टूटेंगे। ये संविधान की ताकत है कि हमारे प्रिय नेता, इस देश के लोकप्रिय नेता और इस देश के बच्चे के लिए शिक्षा से काम करने वाले नेता अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जल्दी बाहर आएंगे। और बाकी बात में हम बात नहीं करेंगे, बहुत भावुक मौका है सबके लिए, लेकिन एक नारे के साथ यहाँ से आवाज दे दीजिए, अरविंद जी तक भी पहुंचे और तानाशाह तक भी पहुंचे कि कह के जेल में भले डाल लोगे, लेकिन एक सच जो पिछले 10-12 साल से कायम रहा है वो कायम रहेगा कि भ्रष्टाचार का एक ही काल, भ्रष्टाचार का एक ही काल, भ्रष्टाचार का एक ही काल। अरविंद केजरीवाल, अरविंद केजरीवाल, अरविंद केजरीवाल। मिलते हैं सब लोग। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
All right, an ecstatic Manish Sisodia there. This visual coming in minutes after he was released from Tihar jail, flanked by Sanjay Singh, Atishi, all three of them smiling. From here on, Manish Sisodia went on into that car and through the sunroof came out drenched, it's raining, addressed the crowds, massive crowds in terms of the Aam Aadmi Party cadre that had gathered there, and made it all about his beleaguered chief minister who is still in jail. Manish Sisodia spoke less about his own time right now in that short speech that he's made to the party cadre outside the jail, and made it all about Arvind Kejriwal, beginning with jail ke tale tootenge, Arvind Kejriwal chootenge, and also kept harping on what the entire India Alliance's push was through the elections, where they spoke of Samvidhan. He spoke of that. He spoke of Tanashahi, and he also says that truth has prevailed, going on to say that very soon Arvind Kejriwal will also walk out of jail. How important is this for the Aam Aadmi Party right now? Well, other than just perception and optics of it all, this would be a big boost in governance for Delhi, because it's been pretty much in an abyss. And if Manish Sisodia, who's been practically the most trusted lieutenant of Arvind Kejriwal, comes back and joins the Delhi government, in what capacity, one needs to understand that, because there is no stipulation stopping him from doing it. At least the governance in Delhi for the Aam Aadmi Party would get much better. Organization-wise, Manish Sisodia, even-tempered man, coming in, someone who Arvind Kejriwal deeply trusts, will be a big boost for the Aam Aadmi Party, all at a time where practically its top brass is right now in Tihar jail. Joining me from Manish Sisodia's residence, Kumar Kunal. Kumar, what's the latest that you're getting us? First, Manish Sisodia will be going to Arvind Kejriwal, the CM's residence, meeting his parents because Arvind Kejriwal is still in jail, and then coming back to his own residence.
Exactly, that is the program, and that's why in anticipation of Manish Sisodia's homecoming, workers are also here. They are anticipating his return in just few hours. These balloons have been put here in Aam Aadmi Party colors at his gate, although this residence, AB17, is officially allotted to Atishi now, but his family resides here only. So Manish Sisodia will come here, and obviously it will be a time when Aam Aadmi Party is celebrating. You can see the pictures at Tihar jail when he came out. There was the workers were full of josh, and they showed that why Manish Sisodia is so important for Aam Aadmi Party, not just politically but even for the government, because he held several important key departments earlier, and that's why when we talk about Delhi model of Aam Aadmi Party, then Manish Sisodia is a key to that model, and that's why workers are quite enthusiastic, and even I was talking to a few of them since morning. They are quite sure that now things will be sorted out. Even Arvind Kejriwal will come out with due course, as Supreme Court has already told today during its order. The Supreme Court made a very clear judgment that the bail should be the rule, not the jail. So that's why the Aam Aadmi Party is quite confident that both their senior leaders, Manish Sisodia has come out now, and now Arvind Kejriwal will come, and that's why it is quite important politically as well, because Delhi is going to face the election in next 5-6 months, and politically, strategically, Manish Sisodia is a key member, Arvind Kejriwal is a key member, and if both of them are coming out, definitely chances of Aam Aadmi.
Well, you're right there, Kunal, because Delhi is going into elections in the next 6 months. But also it's important to note that Aam Aadmi Party is all in fighting 90 seats in Haryana. There's been some, miscommunications between the internal party units where Punjab is concerned, and to have somebody like a Manish Sisodia right now in place, who's the most trusted lieutenant, where Arvind Kejriwal comes. He trusts him blindly, and governance where Delhi is concerned, essential for the Aam Aadmi Party. as an organizational man, somebody, who listens in to everyone, who's known to be very calm, even-tempered, will be a big boost for the Aam Aadmi Party at a time where the party was in a bit of a disarray, where all its top heads are either in jail or, there have been issues with certain Rajya Sabha MPs as well. Rajdeep Sardesai, consulting editor, now joining us. Rajdeep, Manish Sisodia walking out on bail after 17 months is music to Aam Aadmi Party's ears, especially for Arvind Kejriwal, because this has been his most trusted man.
That's right. Remember, there are 6 months to go before the Delhi Assembly elections, and therefore Manish Sisodia coming out is undoubtedly a boost for the Aam Aadmi Party. More importantly, Preeti, if you look at the observation that the Supreme Court made, some of those observations will give hope not just to Manish Sisodia, not just to Arvind Kejriwal, but to a number of detainees under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The fact that the court reiterated, even in PMLA, the rule should be bail, not jail. So legally, it will benefit Manish today. It could benefit others tomorrow, including Mr. Kejriwal, who's likely to go back to the trial court and eventually right up to the Supreme Court in his CBI case. And that could happen by the end of this month. And you've got Manish Sisodia politically giving the Aam Aadmi Party at least some kind of a face as it battles the BJP and the Congress in Delhi over the next 6 months. These have been troubled times for the Aam Aadmi Party. It's been a difficult period. The elections also saw a wipeout of the AAP in the Lok Sabha. Delhi itself has seen questions over mismanagement, over drainage, over waterlogging. And in general, the Aam Aadmi Party has been on the back foot. Manish Sisodia returning in the manner that he has back into the public eye will give them some sense of hope. It doesn't mean that the AAP is really back to where it was pre the entire Delhi liquor policy alleged scam. But I think it does, Manish Sisodia is the kind of credible face, if I may use that word, that the AAP has been looking for. If Sanjay Singh is more pugilistic, Atishi and Saurabh Bhardwaj have been manning the fort ministerially, Manish Sisodia was the one figure who was seen to have some kind of a credibility factor, especially when it came to education, which the AAP has made one of its calling cards. So Manish Sisodia coming out will, at least for now, give the AAP some temporary respite.
Rajdeep, organizationally, the Aam Aadmi Party has suffered over the last 4 months, especially with Arvind Kejriwal going in. Even within the party, there was a sense of disarray on who to speak to, who to address issues with, how to troubleshoot with, your own government in Punjab and now going all in Haryana, where Manish Sisodia and governance in Delhi, Rajdeep, is concerned. Do you see him immediately coming in, taking over, or at least taking a fair amount of portfolios back and getting into governance mode, at least getting the optics right immediately?
I don't see him returning in terms of a ministerial, but I think the Supreme Court order also has certain conditions that they've imposed out there. So it's not as if he's going to come back as Deputy Chief Minister come tomorrow. That's not going to happen, not in a hurry.
Rajdeep, there's been no stipulation on him by the Supreme Court.
There is some belief that the Supreme Court order, correct me if I'm wrong, is that he cannot go back into a government post right away. We don't know whether that's, as I said, that's subject to interpretation of what the court meant, that he cannot interfere at any stage with anything remotely connected to the liquor scam. But I think whether he comes back as Deputy Chief Minister, he certainly comes back as the face of AAP while Mr. Kejriwal is behind bars. He is the most recognizable face for a wider audience, particularly those across political parties. That's a role that Sanjay Singh was playing at the moment. Raghav Chadha has had a relatively, he's not been as involved, some say, in many of the gatherings with India Alliance in recent weeks. But Manish Sisodia could well be that face. I know you've been mentioning about the fact how AAP intends to contest all the seats in Haryana. But I think their real eye is on Delhi. They can't afford to lose Delhi 6 months from now. That for them is a do or die battle. And I think Manish Sisodia, even though the organization may be handled by others, by the likes of Durgesh Pathak or indeed Sandeep Pandey and others will handle the organization issues. I think Manish Sisodia's role will be largely providing that kind of credible face who can interact with leaders across party lines. And I think that's a very valuable role that the Aam Aadmi Party has been missing in recent times.
All right, Rajdeep, appreciate you joining us. Well, for now, at least the Aam Aadmi Party is interpreting it in a way that Manish Sisodia will come back and take charge. But let's cut across. We have Kuldeep Kumar, Aam Aadmi Party MLA, who's joining us on the phone line for more. He's joining us live. Kuldeep Kumar ji, मनीष सिसोदिया बाहर निकल गए हैं, पर इस बीच जो भाजपा कह रही है कि देखिए ये ड्यू प्रोसीजर है, ऐसा नहीं है कोई सच की जीत हुई है, क्योंकि कोर्ट ने मेरिट्स पे देखा नहीं है, सिर्फ बेल दी है क्योंकि अभी तक ट्रायल नहीं शुरू हुआ है।
देखिए, ये वही भारतीय जनता पार्टी है जो हमेशा कहती थी कि पीएमएलए में बेल इसलिए नहीं मिल रही है क्योंकि उनके ऊपर करप्शन चार्जेस है। लेकिन आज सच्चाई और ईमानदारी की जीत हुई है, सत्यमेव जयते। और आज ये बड़ी बात है कि मनीष सिसोदिया जी जो 17 महीने जेल के अंदर रहे हैं, जिन्होंने देश और दुनिया के अंदर एजुकेशन में काम किया है, जिन्होंने दिल्ली को एक एजुकेशन का शानदार मॉडल देने का काम किया, आखिर उन मनीष सिसोदिया जी के 17 महीने कौन लौटाएगा? उन दिल्ली के बच्चों के जिनके एजुकेशन के लिए उन्होंने काम किया, उसको कौन लौटाएगा? भारतीय जनता पार्टी। हम शुरू से कह रहे थे ये केस पूरी तरह से फर्जी है और ये साबित हो गया कि 1 रुपए की रिकवरी आज तक 2 साल के अंदर ईडी और सीबीआई को नहीं हुई, और इसलिए आज ये सच्चाई की जीत है। लेकिन आज राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र के कारण मनीष सिसोदिया जी को 17 महीने जेल में रहना पड़ा, क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के द्वेष के कारण जो ईडी और सीबीआई का दुरुपयोग उन लोगों ने किया, उसके कारण जेल में रहना पड़ा। लेकिन आज सच्चाई और ईमानदारी की जीत हुई है और आज देश भर के लोगों के लिए बहुत खुशी का दिन है कि एक ऐसे व्यक्ति जिन्होंने उनके गरीब बच्चों के एजुकेशन के लिए काम किया, जिन्होंने दिल्ली को एक वर्ल्ड क्लास एजुकेशन का मॉडल देने का काम किया, आज वो बाहर आए हैं। तो निश्चित रूप से ये खुशी का मौका है, सच्चाई और ईमानदारी की जीत का।
जी, पर कुलदीप जी, इस बीच क्योंकि आप कह रहे हैं कोर्ट ने बोला कि 17 महीने कौन लौटाएगा, पर कोर्ट ने जो आगे बोला वो आपने नहीं बोला, क्योंकि कोर्ट ने बोला कि अगर मनीष सिसोदिया बिल्कुल निर्दोष इनोसेंट पाए जाते हैं तो 17 महीने कौन लौटाएगा। अभी तक तो ट्रायल नहीं शुरू हुआ है। पर मैं आपसे एक सवाल और कहूंगी, पूछूंगी कुलदीप जी।
आप भी जानते हैं,
बताइए।
आप भी जानते हैं कि ट्रायल को जानबूझकर लगातार डिले किया गया। कोर्ट भी लगातार ट्रायल के लिए कहता गया, लेकिन ट्रायल नहीं चालू किया गया, क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा था कि जब अगर ये केस ट्रायल में जाएगा तो 10 मिनट नहीं टिकेगा, क्योंकि कोई भी एविडेंस इन लोगों के पास नहीं है, किसी भी तरह का एविडेंस इनके पास नहीं है। और ये बात सच है कि 17 महीने। आज दूसरी बात क्या है कि पीएमएलए केस के अंदर बेल होना ही अपने आप में बड़ी बात होती है। इसमें बेल होना बहुत मुश्किल होती है। और
कुलदीप जी, बस एक आखिरी सवाल करूंगी आपसे। कुलदीप जी, क्या अब जो आम आदमी पार्टी का काडर है, आप एमएलए हैं, क्या रुख है काडर और एमएलए का? क्या अभी मनीष सिसोदिया को वापस आना चाहिए सरकार में? क्या वो आ सकते हैं? क्या सोच है?
मनीष सिसोदिया जी आम आदमी पार्टी के लीडर हैं और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के साथी हैं, और जो निश्चित रूप से वो सरकार में तो है, वो एमएलए हैं, चुने हुए सरकार में आएंगे, सरकार को चलाएंगे। निश्चित रूप से कोई ऐसी बाउंडेशन तो नहीं है, और वो सरकार को चलाएंगे, रन करेंगे। और हमारे नेता अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के नेतृत्व में दिल्ली की सरकार ने जो काम शानदार तरीके से किए, उनको आगे बढ़ाने का काम करेंगे। हमेशा से उन्होंने शानदार काम किए। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दिल्ली के लोगों के काम रोकने का प्रयास किया। उन्होंने सोचा कि आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं को जेल में डाल दें और सरकार का काम रोक दें, पार्टी को खत्म कर दें, लेकिन ना पार्टी खत्म हुई, ना सरकार गिरी। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मुंह पे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने लगातार तमाचा मारने का काम किया और उनको सबक सिखाने का काम किया।
कुलदीप जी, बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप हमसे जुड़े। We are going to go back to the latest visuals that are coming in, because understandably the Aam Aadmi Party politically is going to milk this moment. And for the Bharatiya Janata Party, they're very clear, because they call it nothing more than just pure procedure. It's bail. It's not a clean chit or an acquittal. Kumar Kunal joins us from Manish Sisodia's residence. Kumar Kunal, over to you. Of course, we've been discussing, which you elucidated earlier as well, the significance of Manish Sisodia walking out on bail. There seems to be now multiple thoughts within the Aam Aadmi Party, Kunal, which once thought very clear that Manish Sisodia, at least that's how they are interpreting the judgment right now, should be immediately inducted into the cabinet.
technically, there are some issues. Can Manish Sisodia be inducted in the cabinet? Because first, the recommendation has to be made from the chief minister, because it is the prerogative of chief minister to select his or her minister. So, if Manish Sisodia has to be a minister in Kejriwal cabinet, the recommendation has to come from the chief minister's office, from the chief minister. But right now, as we all know, chief minister himself is in jail, and no file, he is attending no files whatsoever. So that recommendation is a problem right now, because how will he recommend to appoint Manish Sisodia as a cabinet minister? And then only, in the case of Delhi, it is a bit different, because the file goes up to the president, not just to the lieutenant governor. It will go from CM office to the lieutenant governor secretariat and then to the president. And once the president will give his or her nod to the recommendation, then only he can join as a cabinet minister.
But you know, it's known to have happened before, Kunal.
So there is a technical issue there.
True, but in technicality, it's known to have happened before, because both Atishi as well as Saurabh had taken oath where Arvind Kejriwal had recommended them when he was in jail.
No, that time when Atishi and Saurabh Bharadwaj took oath, Arvind Kejriwal was not in jail at that time, so he can make recommendations.
Okay.
That is the problem. So we have to check that how it can be given if he can move some file, because if you will remember, just a few days ago he wrote a letter to Delhi LG that the flag hoisting ceremony that will be done by Atishi on 15th November, that he has communicated to Delhi LG. So he can communicate his feelings through a letter. But for the appointment of a minister, he has to recommend it on file, on the official file, and that can't happen right now. That is the problem. But the popular voice in Aam Aadmi Party is surely that Manish Sisodia should be reinstated as a minister and technically as a deputy minister, and he should take forward all his works which he was actually doing as an education minister or the PWD minister. All those works should be will be important as Delhi is going to face elections. And as you know, Manish Sisodia is known for his works, his developmental works, his education-related works. So ideally, Aam Aadmi Party will want him as a minister, but that won't be easy till Arvind Kejriwal comes out from the jail.
Well, you're right there. Appreciate you joining us, Kumar. And you are right that at the time when Atishi and Saurabh were made ministers, Arvind Kejriwal was not in jail. So there's a technicality on that account. But where the courts are concerned, there is no way that, at least the interpretation of the judgment is that there is no stipulation stopping him.